예, 이제 출발합니다. It's been a long day for planting the important clones for breeding program, and there are more than 100 clones here, and of course including some very important varieties recently developed. It's been a long day. This is Highland, is Gangwon province of Jeongseon Inge, and some potato area. The potato farm provided my trials here. I appreciate for their assistance in breeding program. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, all of you. Hoping for some very important variety will be selected in this field for making contribution to the potato industry in Korea and some other countries where they need for solving their problems in potato industry and food starvations. Thank you very much. Thank you for all, including myself. I'm very proud of myself and being as a potato breeder and potato seed scientist. Now I'm going my home. It will take around half hours. I left 5 o'clock in my home. I got here around 8 o'clock. Yeah, I had a great lunch. It's buckwheat noodle, mememaksu, and also coffee, iced coffee, provided by Yunjungman, CEO of Potato Farm. And thank you for all, even small things in Earth and universe, which make great contribution to all my work. And I'm really thank you for all. Have a great day, everybody.